Hello everyone. Today we are installing window visors on a Lincoln Ford Aviator. These visors are great addition to keep rain out, reduce wind noise and allow fresh air to circulate even in bad weather. Welcome to MG Factor. I ordered my visors from my local Lincoln dealership. So while you unbox, open the package and ensure all visors are included and are undamaged. Identify the front and rear visors as they may have different shapes. So all the visors are properly mentioned here. If you see, it says right front, so on and so forth. So all of them are properly labeled. It does comes with an alcohol prep pads for the cleaning and your manual for easy installation. The first step in the process is to clean the window frames. So use rubbing alcohol or soapy water to clean the top edge of the window frame. Ensure the surface is completely dry before installation. Hold each visor against the window frame to check the positioning. Ensure it aligns properly before removing the adhesive from the back. Start by peeling a small section of the 3M adhesive back end to open end. Gradually stick the visor onto the frame while peeling the rest of the tape. Press firmly along the entire visor to secure it in place. Run your hand along the visor, applying firm pressure to ensure a strong adhesion. If included, use the adhesive promoter to strengthen the bond. Once done, you can gently peel the outer cover, the protective film. Now repeat the same process for rest of the doors and windows. Allow the adhesive to cure for at least 24 hours before rolling down the windows. Avoid washing the car during this period. Inspect all visors to ensure they are properly attached. Roll the windows up and down to verify the clearance. And that's it. A quick and easy way to upgrade your Lincoln Aviator with sleek functional window visors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching MG Factor.